Okay, so my cousin snores like a man all the time. This is hilarious. So I'm gonna film it and show everybody. Watch this shit. It's hilarious. Hey Mike, turn that down a little. This shit makes me giggle.